Thanks for the fish. That was good.
Thank you.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Sounds good. Sounds like a plan.
Man,
Bundle up, right?
I'm gonna wake up and I'll be like, I'm here again.
Yeah,
I'm
unless
not in
it's just
Jackson.
totally miserable outside, we're gonna make it happen out there on the beach.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. All right, you guys have a good night.
All right.
We'll see you in the morning.
All right. Enjoy yourself. Give us a call if you need anything.
Okay. All right, guys. Head back to the hotel. Alright guys, we are here. It is raining, a little windy, but be alright. It is windy, guys. Raining. 2:39.
Good morning. Come on in. Ashley and them are on their way.
Okay.
They're about 5 minutes away.
Alright guys, so we are here. And I'm gonna start getting the detailed shots. Yeah.
I didn't meet you yesterday. Nice to meet you. Now, can I take him? Over here on the counter are pearl pins.
Wait, I can't see.
Okay. Anything else?
You probably want to leave one pin for your dad.
Yeah, leave a pen for the dad. My dad.
For the dad?
For the dad.
That would be your father.
That would be Padre.
Okay, anything else?
My lady sent us this message.
The view.
Okay, this one is yours. The double.
The double one, yes.
Yes.
She said,
Wedding is still gonna go on for outside. Since they came this far, I think they're gonna still do it. So, even though it's a little windy.
I have no idea about where to take it. That's his favorite series, really. Girls, look, the movie's on.
They're getting to me.
allergies. What kind of allergies?
Sand.
Yeah, you're allergic to sand.
Huh?
Okay, do I text Avery?
Give her a
No.
minute.
Okay.
Or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta go.
guys, so we are done with the photo shoot. This is warm weather, guys, compared to back in Jackson. So, yeah, I got driving to Orlando and then tomorrow Friday morning.
Well, you probably need to get changed yourself.
Yeah. Said I would have jumped into it.
He told me, he said, if they went all the way in, I'd go all the way in.
See, that's where I've been different. Like, y'all have fun. I got my long lens.
Yeah, okay.
No, he got right on in there.
Yeah.
He said, more water.
Wait, I have to roll my
It was actually warmer in the water. It was so much warmer in the water than it was out.
That's what Dad said. He said it was warmer than that. He said, you won't want to get out.
Yeah, like,
Get
it
in.
was fine.
That's all.
Really appreciate it.
No, man, you don't know how we appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
And you did get a vlog out this morning.
Yes.
That's why I said, he said he's the one that got home. He got more than them.
That's awesome.
That's what happens when you get all that sleep.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, what, the whole 5 hours? That's all it says.
It's like a bet.
Thank you.
The suitcase is
Thank
already
you.
in Ashley's car.
Made my family very happy.
Nice meeting you.
Is there anything else you need to take with you?
And we'll see you guys on the vlogs.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
a couple of months or so, we're gonna just send him up there for you.
I told him about that, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys. Bye.
I'll try.
Here we go.
All
And,
right, man.
Yes, your
Be
food.
careful. Yeah.
all right, you guys have a
Good deal.
Thank you.
good day. Yep.
All right,
See
man.
ya.
Maybe it'll be a little better for you, the weather.
Yeah.
When you go home, see you, man.
Wear the tab across the sealed bag to remove the vest. Slip the vest over your head